Okay, I must be an idiot. I've got the computer hooked up, the new computer, and the camera, the auto guide SS, whatever it is, Starshoot, whatever. So I downloaded the software and I can't unzip the file. I've tried a couple of different ways. So I sent them, I'm trying to have a dialogue with these people at Orion Telescope and see if maybe they can tell me what I'm doing wrong or what I need to do. I don't know. Windows 10 is kind of a ball breaker. A lot of stuff. It was written pre-Windows 10, and they do their patches, whatever, allegedly. So that's where I am right now. I got the telescope outside, so it's getting outside air temperature, so less chance of fog tonight. Hopefully it'll be a good night. So I'm looking forward to it. I did do a modification though. Let me show you. I got a piece of this PVC that was very similar. I had to grind out on the inside, so now this eyepiece fits in here. And then what I've got is I've got my point and shoot camera that's going to stick in here, and I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to try it and see what happens. I mean, this is pretty cool. This ought to work. I mean, it pops out. I took the rubber grommet or the rubber eyepiece off. It's relatively easy to put back on. It's no problem. So I got it in here. I left this little ring in here so it stops everything. Although the camera, when you extend the telephoto lens, it should be really, really close, if not touching the barrel of that point and shoot. It's a Nikon. I called it something else earlier, one of my earlier videos, but I was incorrect. It's the Nikon Coolpix 3700S. I bought it on a trip out to Sturgis back in, whenever that was, 15, 16? A couple years ago for the 75th anniversary. We had a good time. Used to be able to drink a little beer, but I don't do that anymore because of my gluten intolerance. But all right, that's where I'm at. So we're going to try this tonight and see if I can get some photos with that camera. Until I get the rest of this functioning. I mean, this is pretty much a mess over here. I've got the little computer and I've got a monitor that I had and everything's functioning. I got my wireless keyboard and I went out and I bought a Logitech wireless mice. It works fine. I've got a few of them. I got one here also for this computer, and I've got one over there for the other computer, and I have one for my laptop. You know, for 15 bucks, you know, they're hard to beat. They do what they're supposed to do, and they have a little tray inside, a little caddy to put your Wi-Fi transmitter or Bluetooth, I guess it would be, to keep everything together. So, all right, well, cool. That's where I'm at so far. Right now, I'm halfway between lost and found. I'm working on it. So I'd like to get this up and running, although I'm not really prepared to go out in the backyard yet. I got some blocks to put the tripod on, so I got to get them balanced and, you know, North Star Polaris aligned, so that once I have that, then I can just put the tripod on those same locations, on those 3 blocks that I bought, and my polar alignment should be consistent. So it won't be a lot of, it won't be difficult to set up. Go out there, set up the tripod, set up the go-to mount, and everything should be ready to rock. Plug in. I don't know if my Wi-Fi from the house is going to work that far out in the backyard. This little computer's got a lot of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, which is surprising. It's only got a 120 gig hard drive, solid state drive, but I don't expect to use, you know, all that much memory. It's got 8 gig of RAM, I mean, which makes it fast. No question about it. It's running a Celeron something or other. I don't remember. But for what I want, it should be pretty good. All right, well, that's where I'm at. Have a good day. Bye.